welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul, very happy to be back in Pakistan. As I showed you in the last video, she's running beautifully. Zafar did a great job, amazing job, and you can see these stains here are from where she was parked before, leaking coolant, and now there's no coolant at all. Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to the Pakistan Automobile Association to get our Carnet extended. We'll extend it for another 12 months, but we only need another 2 or 3 really, because we've decided rather than ship her home to Australia, we're going to attempt to ride home. Yeehaw, exciting. And then after, this afternoon is a big meeting that could change both my life and Janet's life, but we'll see what happens. Keep your fingers crossed for us, guys. I'll explain more about that later. So guys, this is the Pakistan Automobile Association, and instead of taking weeks and weeks to get things done like other countries, the girl's going through my Carnet now and changing the date on every single page. This is her boss here, Zaire, is that right? Yes, and they're making a great job.
Yeah. She's making also. She's my assistant, but she's doing everything on my behalf.
Yes.
And then I'll sign the last wording which will enable you to take away anywhere in any part of the world.
That's it, guys. I can go to any part of the world.
I've just obliged my counterpart, Australian Automobile. I love Australian people, I love Australian club, and they are my sister club, and we've got all. They are Region 2 coordinator to Region 2 president, Australian club, you know.
Thank you. I should have imported into Pakistan in the first place. It would have been a lot easier, but that's life. I've learnt my lesson now.
Always welcome. Whenever you come, be my personal guest if at all.
Shukriya, my friend. That means a lot to me.
Thank you very much. You are my friend. You are my brother. Australians are brother. I love Australia because I voted for Australia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I can't believe how easy that was. I love dealing with Pakistanis. It's just everything. As soon as they received the email from AAA in Australia, they had everything ready. So all the red tape was already done when I got here, instead of other countries that I've been to where they wait till the second you're there. Hey guys, and yeah, everything was done. I was in there less than an hour. She changed the dates by hand on every single page in the Carnet, and he went through it and signed every single date change, stamped it all. I can't believe how easy that was. Pakistan Zindabad. Well guys, this is Sazgar Engineering Works. It's a big car company in Pakistan, and they also manufacture tuk-tuks, and they're the biggest tuk-tuk supplier in Pakistan. And those that have been following my channel will remember my dream of breaking the world tuk-tuk longest journey record. I'm here to discuss that with them, and my meeting is in about 20 minutes. So if you guys, the meeting's already happened for you guys, but if you can wish me luck, send it back in time. I'm very excited. Yeah guys, so having a meeting in the boardroom. I'm just waiting now. Guys, I'm nervous. This could be the most important meeting of Janet in my life. Yes, and the meeting's at 1 o'clock, but they've also invited me for lunch at 2 o'clock, so they're expecting this to be a big long pitch. I'm very excited, guys, very excited. One of the most exciting days of my life, guys. These are all the engineers and everything. We're at the factory now. I just had lunch with all the CEOs and bosses and everything and discussed what I need. They sent me here to look. This is the kind of design we're looking at, where this will all be locked off. It'll be a lockable box in there. The head thing will fold down here and fold down here, so it'll become a bed at night time. We'll have another bit that fits in here. We've had a big discussion. This is the head engineer here. I'm just very excited, guys. What a day. Shukriya. Thank you. Morning, guys. I was going to leave today for Peshawar, but I haven't got phone credit yet because I was so rushed yesterday. And the guy at the Zafar, the guy that did the work on Livy, he's got a couple of things at his shop for me, like my other oil air filter and a couple of other things. So I booked in for an extra day. Yesterday was so exciting, guys. I didn't get much sleep last night. I was just thinking all the time. It looks like I will be doing a world record attempt for the longest tuk-tuk journey ever. I'm really, really excited, guys. Keep your fingers crossed for me. All we need, the only problem is money, and so all we need is some sponsors. They're going to organise for me to meet with some big Pakistani companies, organise sponsorship. They'd give me a tuk-tuk tomorrow. I've already been to the factory. Oh, actually I showed you guys. We went over a 6-seater tuk-tuk and I said what I'd need. They said everything is possible. Everyone's very excited, including me. So let's just hope we can get sponsorship, guys. And I'll be spending 4 years riding a tuk-tuk all around the world. And I went to the wrong zong office at the other side of Lahore, but that's all right, guys. I've had a fun day riding around. This is the main zong office. I've taken a Google pin of this and I'll put that in the description so you'll be able to find it. But if you're a foreigner in Lahore and you want a new SIM card, you have to come here. And I think you can recharge at any shop, but I tried to recharge and I couldn't, but that's because I was trying to recharge for less. I got a 50 gig plan for about $20, about 15 US. And I tried recharging just for 30 gig, but you can't. You've got to stay on the same plan you're on, but that's all right. I've got plenty of data. Well guys, it's a couple of days later. I've done another video in between, but another 2 or 3 videos in between actually. This was before I went to Peshawar that this started, and now I'm back after Peshawar. I was going to try and do this video with all the sponsorship and everything, but that's going to take longer than we thought. Very exciting though, guys. So I'm going to finish this video by going out to the border ceremony, but this time on the Pakistani side. So we did it from the Indian side a few months ago. Now we'll go and do it from the Pakistani side. It's about 30 kilometers from here, about an hour's ride. I'm going to be there very early, but it's better early than late. Anyway guys, we'll speak to you from there. Well guys, change of plans. I got nearly to the border, but this is one of the roads that I came along to get there. Razor wire, arm guards, and no cover whatsoever. So I don't mind doing it now. I don't even mind stopping here and filming now. I've got a lot of trust in Pakistanis. But coming along here at night time, because it will be dark after the ceremony. I didn't film going home from the Indian side, but yeah, it was dark when I left, and we're closer into winter now. So Janet would kill me if I got something happened, so I made the executive decision not to do it. Sorry guys, we've seen it from the Indian side. It would have been nice to see it from the Pakistani side as well. But you can see what I mean, guys. Riding through here in the dark, very, very different story. Morning guys. We're all set up, ready to go. Bit sad today, leaving Pakistan. I love this country really. Heading back to India, which isn't a bad thing, but yeah, Pakistan, what an amazing country. Incredible people. Look at this guy here smiling. Everyone, the guards here smiling. Everyone's so happy and welcoming here. I really love Pakistan, guys. All those stories you've heard of Pakistan in the Western media, it's not true. This is a happy, friendly, welcoming country. I've had 2 people in the whole time I was here. If you remember when I was at the Faisal Mosque, 2 guys got quite angry for me being there, but about 30 people came from all over the mosque and sort of put themselves between me and those 2 men and said, sir, you're welcome here, you're welcome anytime. So guys, Pakistan Zindabad. I don't understand why Google Maps took me that weird way to the border the other day, because here's the border right in front of us. I've been on good bitumen roads all the way, so I could have gone to the border ceremony, but that's all right, it's too late now. We're just about to cross into India. Well, I just fueled up. Fuel's actually cheaper on the other side, but I got rid of most of my Pakistani rupees. And there's the Indian flag, guys. When I came this way, all I could could see was the Pakistan flag, so they must be doing it just for me. Or maybe there's a different entrance, I don't know, but I don't think so. I'm pretty sure this is the way I came in. Well guys, that was easy. About 20 minutes. Now, let's go to India. Exciting guys. The border crossing's always exciting. People like Naik and Kim and things, they'll tell you, you never know what's going to happen. It really would have to be one of the coolest border crossings in the world. I'll try and turn my camera on when I'm going through this time. Passport?
How are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Passport? Where are you from?
Australia?
Australia.
No, keep going. Keep going. See ya. One more. No, keep going. Oh yeah, there.
Thank you.
Shukriya, my friend. I love Pakistan. You'll remember all this from the border crossing video, the ceremony video. Oh well, goodbye Pakistan. And we're back in India guys. That wasn't too bad. I left my hotel about 10 o'clock. Yeah, about 10 o'clock. It's about 12:30 now. It was an hour's ride, so yeah, that's not so bad. Let's get to our hotel. About another hour up the road. Guys, we're definitely back in India. Maybe 40 minutes. Nearly died about 10 times. Big difference. Massive big difference. Well guys, that was a pretty easy day. This is my hotel, the on-side bed and breakfast. It's alright guys. In the back streets of Amritsar. I got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.